Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to adjust dehaze in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos and Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library where you can add and edit any photos that you like. Now tap on the photo that you'd like to edit and here you will see many options in the bottom menu. Simply scroll through this until you see Effects. Tap on that and here you will see Dehaze as the third option. Here's a simple tip. If you'd like to increase or decrease dehaze by a small amount, simply tap on the right side to increase and on the left side to decrease your dehaze by 2%. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.